Welcome back to my channel, guys. CPA Marketing. Right here in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a way which you can go on to making money right now with CPA marketing by leveraging trending topics online right now. I'm going to show you how you could do that utilizing the power of content locking. So I would like you to stick on and watch this video right now to the end to learn this and utilize this to make money online. If you're new to the channel CPA Marketing, I create videos on ways to make money online either with CPA, affiliate marketing, or with the use of some cool AI tools. If you do like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right now. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel right here and your notification bell is always turned on all to always get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos that could help boost your income online. With that being said, let's dive right into the video of today. So first thing which you want to do right now, guys, is to go into searching for something that is actually trending right now online. And you can just simply utilize platforms like Google Trends right now, which is the trends.google.com, to actually grab hold of what is trending online right now. And you can actually come right here. You can see if you do go into trending now, you'll be able to go into seeing what is trending online in this particular country, Nigeria. As you can see, Mohamed Salah is actually trending. He got about 1,000 searches. This fan is actually trending right now. He got about 1,000 searches plus. You can see right here, live score got about 100k searches. Atletico Madrid versus Real Madrid, 100 plus thousand searches. Egypt versus Ghana, you can actually see right here. These are actually top searches in that particular demographic. You can change this right here. Maybe you want to just simply check out the United States. You can go on to checking out what is trending in the United States. About 500,000 plus searches right now. You can see Lakers are actually trending. The Wizard of Waverly Place actually trending, and a lot more other trending topics right now. For you to actually go into exploring or taking advantage of what is trending right now, you can actually go onto the explore section right here if you do want to right now, and you can actually search for some cool sports competition, because a lot of things that actually trend right now is sports competition. So I can just simply come right here and search for AFCON 2023, and if I just search for AFCON 2023 right now, you can see right here that its search right now in this country, Nigeria, is still actually going up right now, meaning that a lot of people are actually getting much more interested in that particular search term. You can actually go on to changing the country right now. Maybe I could change that to worldwide, and I can actually go on to seeing the search worldwide right now. A lot of people are actually searching more of this particular topic worldwide because a lot of people are interested in this. This can actually be a very cool and amazing topic that you can actually use to go on to gaining a lot of attention to your CPA marketing offer. And how do you do that right now? If you do go on to platforms like Twitter right here, you can actually go on to searching for that exact same topic. Maybe if I do come onto the explore section, you can see that AFCON 2023 is actually a trending topic that a lot of people are actually going on to searching right now, and you can actually see they're getting a lot of engagement right there on their post right here. This has 1,000 plus views, and you can see right here this has 8.5 thousand views depending on the particular post right now. So you can actually go on to making yours one among these to promote an offer. Now, since this is actually a sports event, not everybody is allowed to, not every channel is allowed to go on to showing that particular sports event, because they actually need to go on to purchasing TV rights. Now, before they can actually go on to doing that right there, maybe you're actually looking for a particular website where you can go on to watching some cool sports matches right now. You can just simply go on to providing a website for them that they can watch that website, but log that in your content locker. And a very cool website that you can use for that is this particular platform called the score808tv.com. It's an amazing platform, as you can see right here, that it's used for watching some cool matches right now. As you can see, you can go on to live streaming this match right here, which is the Sydney versus Newcastle Jets right now, and this is an Australia A League. You can see the Asian Cup, which is Iraq versus Japan, slated for 2:30 or 12:30. The AFCON, which is the African Cup of Nations, the Cape Verde versus Mozambique, slated for 3 o'clock right now. And you can just simply go on to live streaming this or sending them a link to watch this right now. All you need to do is to come onto this particular homepage and or this domain, copy the domain, head onto your CPA marketing platform. If you're using CPA Grape right now, you can just want to go on to creating an account on the platform and log into your account. Now, once you're logged in right now, guys, to get onto this page that you can see right now, you just need to come onto this section that says monetization tools. Click on that, click on URL file locker, and you'll be brought to a page similar to this. Click on create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, click on continue. And right now guys, you want to paste in that particular link in the locked URL section. You can actually then go on to selecting a template. I'm going to utilize the capture template. Head back to general, and you can actually give this template a name. I can actually name this something like AFCON 2023, and if I do name it something like this right now, you can actually go on to putting in or editing this text based on your preference. Maybe you want to just simply change the background image. You can actually do that right now, or rather you can do that in this CSS section. So all you need to do right now is to just simply go on to Google and search for AFCON. And if you do search for that right now, the page is actually going to load up. You can see right here that these are actually the matches, and I'm just going to go on to the images section. And for these images right here, all I'm going to do right now is to just simply go into selecting one of the image right now. If I do select this image, what I'm going to do is to right click on the image. If I do right click on the image, copy the link address to the image, and I'm actually going to just simply head back to that URL file locker. Now in this background section, what I'm going to do right here is to just simply come right now to this section and go on to pasting in my link. So once I do paste in my link, I can actually do refresh preview to see if that's going to change. So guys, I'm just going to leave this as it is right here, not changing the background. I'm going to leave it as it is. Click on save. If you can change the background, this is quite important that you change that to something like the AFCON logo or an AFCON image, so that they will know that that is actually connected. Once you do click on get link right now, copy the link to that. Go on to creating a landing page either with Google Sites, Linktree, Breezy Cloud, or any landing page builder site out there. As you can see, this is an example of a landing page I created with breezy.io. That's an amazing landing page right there, and I created this in just a matter of less than 5 minutes right now. You can actually go on to doing similar stuff right now for that particular URL file locker right there. And if you don't know how to create a simple landing page, I have videos on my channel that teaches you how to do just that. Come onto my channel, click on this search icon, and just simply come right here and type in landing page. And if you do type in landing page and click on enter, you'll be able to see some videos I created for you on how to create simple landing pages right now. Check out those videos and learn how to create simple landing pages. So now once you've actually created some landing page right now, all you need to do is to promote that using Twitter. Now if you do come onto Twitter right now, you can see a lot of posts related to AFCON 2023. All you need to do right now is to just simply come right here, click on post, and you can actually then go on to type in something right here on AFCON 2023. As you can see, the hashtag is already here. I can just simply type in something like, you can see right here it says, don't miss out on all the fun and action at AFCON 2023. Watch matches live via the link below. And once you do put in something like this, you want to just simply go on to pasting in the link to your landing page or to that your URL file locker right here. Once you do paste that in, click on post, and because you're actually having this hashtag right here, your post will actually go on to trending with the AFCON 2023 all through that particular trend right now, and you'll be able to reach out to a lot more amount of audience right there once you do post this right now. And a lot of people will be interested in streaming that match or watching the match live right there. And if they do click on your link, they will actually need to go through your URL file locker first before they can actually go on to watching that particular match live using this particular platform, and you can utilize that to make money right here. So this is a very simple strategy you can do right now with any trending topic and make some cool cash online. And guys, I do hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, leave that in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.